Unlocking English Idioms, the whole 9 yards. Hello and welcome, English learners. Today, we're going to delve into the world of idiomatic expressions, specifically a fascinating one used widely in professional communication, the whole 9 yards. We'll discuss its meaning, origin, and how to use it in different contexts. The whole 9 yards is an American English idiom, often used to mean everything possible or the full extent. If you do something the whole 9 yards, you're doing it completely or to the utmost degree. For example, if you are preparing a business presentation and your colleague tells you to go the whole 9 yards, they mean that you should put in as much effort as possible and cover all aspects of the subject in detail. The origin of the whole 9 yards is somewhat mysterious, with several theories attempting to explain its roots. One popular belief is that it originated from the fabric industry, where fabric was often sold in 9-yard lengths, so buying the whole 9 yards meant getting the full amount. Another theory suggests it comes from American football, where the field is divided into 10 yards. If a team moved the ball the whole 9 yards, it meant they had made a complete effort but were just shy of the goal. Remember, knowing the origins of an idiom is not necessary for its usage, but can make your understanding of the English language more colorful and in-depth. Learning an idiom is not complete until you know how to use it in sentences. Let's see a few examples. 1. Our team went the whole 9 yards to ensure the project's success, working late nights and weekends. 2. Don't just do a quick fix. Go the whole 9 yards and repair everything that's broken. 3. For his holiday, he went the whole 9 yards, booking a 5-star hotel and a first-class flight. And that's the whole 9 yards for you, folks. It's a versatile and expressive idiom to signify completeness or full extent. Try using it in your conversations and see the richness it adds to your English proficiency. We hope this video was helpful, and stay tuned for more explorations into the wonderful world of English idioms. Happy learning!